Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your sky dweller. First, understand that the unique ring command bezel is key to setting your watch. You'll rotate this fluted bezel counterclockwise to cycle through the different adjustment modes. There are 3 specific positions, each corresponding to a different function you can set. This innovative system makes adjusting your watch intuitive and secure. To begin, unscrew the crown by turning it counterclockwise until it pops out, then pull it to the first notch. Now, rotate the bezel 1 click counterclockwise to position 1. This allows you to set the month and date by turning the crown. The annual calendar automatically adjusts for 30-day and 31-day months. Next, move the bezel to position 2 to adjust your local time, moving the hour hand in 1-hour increments. For setting your reference time, rotate the bezel 3 clicks counterclockwise to position 3. In this mode, the seconds hand will stop, allowing for precise setting. The red triangle on the off-center 24-hour disc indicates your reference time. Turn the crown to adjust both the 24-hour disc and the minute hand simultaneously. It's important to set this reference time before fine-tuning your local time. Once all your settings are complete, gently push the crown back in and screw it down clockwise until it's snug against the case. This ensures the watch's water resistance. Finally, rotate the bezel clockwise back to its neutral or 0 position. If your watch has stopped, you can manually wind it in the neutral position by turning the crown clockwise. Enjoy your perfectly set sky dweller.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.